Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something a lot of Roblox mobile players get confused about. How to get shift lock on Roblox when you're playing on your phone. If you've ever used shift lock on PC, you know how useful it is for movement and combat. So let's clear up exactly how it works on mobile. So on Roblox for computer, you just press the shift key and turn on shift lock in the Roblox settings. Your camera snaps into that rotating third-person view and you can control your character smoothly with your mouse. Super simple, but when you switch over to mobile, things look different. If you open the Roblox settings menu, you'll notice that in many games, the shift lock toggle doesn't appear at all, and no matter how much you look for it, the option just isn't there. Here's the important part. Shift lock on mobile is not a universal feature. It only appears in games where the developers have chosen to enable it for mobile players. That means you might open a game like Blox Fruits and see the shift lock icon on the right side of your screen, but then jump into another game and it's completely missing. So if you don't see the shift lock button in the settings or on your screen, it's not a glitch and there's nothing wrong with your device. It simply means the game developer didn't add mobile shift lock support for that specific game. There's no hidden setting or special trick to force it on. That's really all there is to it, but understanding this saves a ton of frustration. If the developer adds it, you can use it. If not, it won't be available on mobile. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Roblox tips. See you in the next one.